everyone, and welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to reverse videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now this video is going to look kind of funny because literally we're going to start with the car coming into frame, into reverse, and then the gate will close on us. That's going to be really funny to look at, I think. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Adobe Premiere, Photoshop tutorials, things like that every single week. We post tons of fun, awesome tutorials here, and I'm sure you will enjoy them, so be sure to like and subscribe. Additionally, this is a brand new channel, guys, and your likes and your subscriptions and all of that stuff really does mean the world to us, and it helps us out so much. Nevertheless, let's get on into the video. So, here we have this video. To reverse the speed, all we need to do is right-click on it, go to speed/duration here, and then click this little reverse speed button. Once we do that, we can click OK, and now we have the car coming in and exiting out of the gate in reverse there. It's having some trouble rendering and keeping up while recording here, but we have it coming in, exiting out of reverse, and then the gate closing on the car. That's kind of a funny shot, and that's how you reverse footage. It's that simple. Now, typically when I reverse something, this is what I'll do. I'll reverse it, and then I'm going to go ahead and nest it, because nesting typically makes things work a lot better in Adobe Premiere. To do that, you right-click on it, and then you click the Nest button here, and then click OK. Now, as you can see, it is a lot more smooth coming in there. Still a little bit of lag, but that's just because I'm recording as well. If I wasn't recording, there wouldn't be any lag in this. It also allows you to treat this as its own clip. We can actually come in here and do speed/duration again on this, and now speed this up 200% if we want to. And now I'm sure my computer's not going to do it much at all, but there you go. You can see the car coming back even faster. The only reason we were able to do that was because we nested the clip, so it makes it a lot easier to deal with, basically. But there is how to reverse footage in Adobe Premiere. Before we get on out of this video, though, I want you to check out our sponsor, Bluehost. Go to thebreakdown.xyz/Bluehost, the first link down below, if you're looking for an awesome web host for your website, for your blog, for your videos, all of that awesome stuff. Bluehost can help you out. That's thebreakdown.xyz/Bluehost, the first link down below. They have an awesome service for only $3.95 a month. You won't regret it. Now, also be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if it helped you out. That helps us out. My name is Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I am out, guys. Peace.